We got this.
Oh, we had a jolly old time.
Wait, oh my god. Because it's just so, it's just wonderful. I just think it's great. They're like...
I had a thing in my tooth the whole time.
Oh my god, I didn't even notice. How embarrassing. It's probably why she was looking at you funny.
I'm actually
What are we going to do now, Becca?
we're actually going to go home and maybe get some lunch and then make some gingerbread.
Oh yeah, in our new jumpers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. By the way, I can't believe that I'm marrying the woman of my dreams and I just got the ring of my dreams. I can't get over. I was honestly trying to act casual, but when I put it on my finger, I was like, "What the fuck?"
I'm so okay. Wait, because I'm like
about to drive.
I'm really glad because so we went in, we found the ring, almost straight away, and we're like, okay, try it on, and we got a couple of others, and you tried on the others, and you're like, no, this one's like 100%. Yeah. And then she was like, okay, so the thing is it's not the same metal, so what could happen is that the one you have, because it's a harder metal, it's gonna wear away at the other one, like not straight away, but like over like 5-10 years. And to be honest, like, yeah, that makes a difference. Yeah, and like at first we were like, oh well, that's okay, and she's like, but we can do it in the other metal. I can get a quote for you, see how much it is. And we're like, okay, like, oh my god, it's probably gonna be a lot. But when she came back with the price, it was like maybe £300 more. Yeah. Which it's not like it's not any money. It's just like in comparison to it lasting like 50 years instead of like 5-10. That's a huge difference. And she's staying with me forever, so like we need this shit to last 5 years. Yeah. And they're gonna resize your one. I'm so excited. I didn't realise how big it was until she showed me what a real size could be. Did I like your size weight or something on my hands? The size you had that they measured you first was M. And that's what I remembered, and that's what I went for. I remembered that too, yeah. Because I remember it's Marshall, which is my second name. But then when we went in, you went down like a size and a half, so you're K1/2. That's crazy. I'm a K1/2, baby. You're K. Oh, almost like also. You're more than a K1/2. You're a little too small. Yeah. I appreciate you. Yeah. Okay. Bye. They're really soft. So you've just decided that I'm red and you're green. I know, but you preferred that one. I preferred this one. Oh, it's really cute. Oh my god, it's life. Oh my god, I love it. Wait. Oh my god, he looks so cute. This is very loose here. Really? But I kind of like that it's... Yeah. And I'm going to start making some gingerbread. So excited. Right, so I need to find the recipe. Oh wow, she started. Wow. This. Oh god, okay. We're already starting, man. This. Oh, very useful. Fist bump for that. Oh my god, wait. They're live. They're so cute, and they're just from Asda, and there's 3 different sizes. There were these ones, there were these ones. There were these ones that were like just round. And there were these ones that were like, there was like a butterfly. But I think that, yeah. I almost had a panic attack. That we didn't have cinnamon. But we did, so it's all good. No one's dying today. We also have this. They're really cute. We got them from Tigger. They're a vibe, aren't they? Okay. We got everything. Flour. This, which I don't think is actually maple syrup. What? I think it's, I don't know what it is, but it's a substitute. So, we're gonna have to sit down because half our foreheads are cut down. I'm just gonna have to like perch myself in. I've never baked, sat down, but you know, I'm here for it. In a small pan, heat butter, syrup, sugar together until melted, stirring occasionally. Set to one side to cool slightly in a large mixing bowl. Oh! They're not washed up! Chan chan chan! Okie dokie. I don't know why I said that. Okay, so it says, in a small pan, heat butter, syrup and sugar. Fancy doing syrup, that's fun. 100 grams of butter. Oh god. Here goes our life. Wait, I need this. Oh, look at that. Look at that quality. Oh god, I'm about to pour it out. Okay, opening this Lurpak is everything. It actually is though, I'm laughing, but you're right. Oh my god. The back does the same. Oh shoot, sorry. And these come down. Oh, hello heaven. Are you ready? Oh, we're, not sponsored by Lurpak.
I don't know how we're meant to get accurate reading of syrup. Oh. We should have zoomed in on this. This is done.
Okay.
It will show. Oh, that is just like, that's as luscious as it gets. I think this is done, baby.
Yeah, I do as well.
Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Beautiful. Get all those mixes.
Oh my, this tastes. You wouldn't have to pay me to. I would pay you to eat that. For me to eat that. That is really.
I'd have that on toast.
Yeah, honestly.
Pour in melted butter mixture and stir to combine using your hands.
I think you have to go with your hands.
Okay. You, me, or you? I've got a cut.
You've got a cut. Okay.
Now that we said that on camera, we definitely got.
Wait, let me just wash my hands.
Let's go.
Good. And really busy yesterday.
Please take your receipt and shopping.
Yeah, it was a 12-hour day.
Okay. Tesco's didn't have baked beef, but Coop did.
Come through.
So now we can continue.
Smells like Christmas. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that was not satisfying. I quit.
Oh my god, how funny that fits in so well. Okay.
Bam.
We're gonna leave that to cool. We're gonna tidy.
Like full on like. This is.
We're gonna let it cool and firm up. And then we'll be back. See you then.
And we're back.
Hello.
A clean flat.
Oh, it's so nice when it's clean.
Look at that.
Oh wow. Oh, they weren't kidding.
Boom.
I mean,
You hear that?
are we gonna have to roll that out?
Yeah, yeah. No, it's not like.
Should we cut it
I
into
look
that?
like.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, okay.
Oh my god, it smells like Christmas. Now it's tradition to try this. The first one.
No.
Oh.
Try and make the most out of this.
Oh.
So cute. Look at that gingerbread man. They're so cute.
Oh my god, they're like bibbling!
That's not.
Why does everything we do go wrong? This is what they were meant to look like. This. Not like wheels.
No, isn't any point in cooking them, no?
No, there might be. I mean, you might as well leave them now.
I think, but they're not. Why is there butter?
Do you think they need to be thicker?
Oh yeah, they didn't tell us to read. But that's okay because this we haven't done anything with. Okay.
Moving on. Let's just pop that to the side. Okay. We're okay.
Maybe just do a couple of big ones, a couple of medium ones.
What a joke.
What a fucking joke. I mean, it looks really cute. Okay, they start going.
Shit. Our alarm's gonna go off. Our alarm's definitely gonna go off.
No, please, no. Not again.
Oh.
Quick.
Happy Christmas, everyone! Wow!
It was even lower than it said to do. I hate baking!
Me too, it was twice on. I don't even know like what went wrong. Okay. It's time.
Take 2.
Take
Okay,
two.
so now these are in the fridge.
I feel them. They're freezing.
They're really cool, and now they're gonna go straight in.
Let's just keep all the fingers crossed
Maybe
because
should I put them on this shelf?
yeah, I mean
Okay. Literally you and me, this is so cute. What one are you?
wait, let me see.
You're this one.
I'm this one I think.
Yeah.
You look like I have a bit of extra foliage here.
Yeah, that's so true. Okay, so they did the exact same thing again.
Look, they're not even like oh.
I don't know what we did wrong.
We didn't. It's gluten free. I suck.
Gluten-free baking never has gone right for us. Not once.
My mum is the only one that can make a good cake. I'll put it there.
Yeah. Okay, so
This is not going to cramp our style. We'll just have a Christmassy hot chocolate instead.
Yeah.
We can make a bomb Christmas hot chocolate.
yeah. Do you know what I
Yes.
really fancy? It's like
tell me.
meringue and cream.
That's Christmassy.
Is that Chris? That could
We
be
can
Christmassy.
crush a candy cane on top.
I don't want that, but you could do that.
I don't really want it either. I was just trying to make
Oh
it
right.
Christmas.
We could have one on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, that was our day. We tried, it's fine.
Oh. Maybe we need to find another recipe, and then maybe next weekend, maybe every weekend on the run up to Christmas, we need to try different gluten-free.
Oh my God,
Because
that's such a good idea.
we've got like the ingredients now.
This is the inspiration. This is what it should look like.
This is the aim. Okay, we're gonna get something to eat because we're actually really hungry. Oh. Yeah.
Smells good.
What just happened? We made gingerbread! When is it?
It's a week from when we made it before.
Oh yeah, so Bella got this
And
recipe from work, and they are adorable. They still melt in a bit, and they're not as good as the gingerbread men or the gingerbread biscuits that we've had before. You know? Is it nice with icing?